If you want to reset Facebook default settings, this video will walk you through the process in a simple and easy way. Now, one important thing to know right away is that Facebook does not offer a single Reset All Settings button. So instead of one click, you'll need to review the main settings sections and change them back manually. The good news is that once you know where to go, it only takes a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. All right, let's jump in. First, open your Facebook account on your phone or browser and sign in if you are not already logged in. Once you're inside your account, go to Settings and Privacy. This is where Facebook keeps most of the important controls for your account. From there, tap or click Settings. Now you'll see different categories like Privacy, Security, and Notifications. These are the main areas you'll want to review if you're trying to return things closer to the default setup. Start with Privacy. Check who can see your posts, your profile information, your friend requests, and any audience settings you may have changed before. If something looks different from what you want, switch it back manually. Next, move over to Security. Here, review login alerts, two-factor authentication, trusted devices, and any unusual account access settings. If you changed anything here in the past and no longer need it, restore it to a simpler or more standard setup. After that, go to Notifications. This section controls what Facebook sends you by email, push notification, or in-app alerts. Go through each option carefully and turn off anything you don't want or set it back to the more typical default preferences. If you've also adjusted other account areas like profile visibility, timeline and tagging, or ad preferences, take a moment to review those too. Again, the idea here is not to find one reset button, because Facebook doesn't have one. The idea is to manually walk through the key sections and put each setting back the way you prefer. A really helpful shortcut is to use Privacy Checkup. This feature is designed to guide you through some of the most important privacy settings step by step, so it's a great place to start if you want a faster reset process. It can help you review who can see your content, how people can contact you, and how your data is being used. Once you've finished checking everything, make sure to save any changes you made. In some cases, Facebook saves automatically, but it's still smart to confirm that your updates went through before leaving the page. After that, take a final look through the main sections one more time just to make sure everything looks correct. If you want a cleaner Facebook experience, this is also a good time to remove any settings that you no longer need and keep only the basics turned on. That way your account is easier to manage and closer to a default setup. So to recap, go to Settings and Privacy, open Settings, review Privacy, Security, and Notifications, manually change options back to default, use Privacy Checkup for a quicker review, and save your changes. If this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.